In this video, we are going to learn about the monostable multivibrator using IC 555 timer. Monostable multivibrator is also called as the one-shoot multivibrator. When an external trigger pulse is applied to the monostable multivibrator, it generates a single output pulse with a fixed time duration. Monostable multivibrator has one stable state and one quasi-stable state. When an external pulse is applied, the monostable multivibrator goes to the quasi-stable state from stable state. After some time duration, it automatically returns to the stable state. The circuit remains in stable state until next trigger pulse is applied. The time duration of the output of the monostable multivibrator depends upon the value of resistor and inductor used in the monostable multivibrator circuit. Okay, now consider a stable condition. Initially assume the monostable multivibrator in stable state. In this case, assume the SR flip-flop output Q bar equal to 1, the power amplifier input equal to 1, because the SR flip-flop output Q bar is connected to the power amplifier input. In this case, the power amplifier acts as the inverter, hence the monostable multivibrator output goes to 0. The SR flip-flop output Q bar equal to 1 is also connected to the base of transistor Q1, hence the transistor Q1 is the on condition. Here the transistor Q1 is on, it acts as the closed switch. The transistor is connected across the capacitor. The transistor Q1 is on, it acts as the closed switch, hence the capacitor short circuited. It is connected to the ground. Here now the capacitor discharging to the ground. Monostable multivibrator is used to generate the single rectangular pulse. The time duration of the output pulse depends upon the value of resistor and capacitor used in the monostable circuit. In stable condition, the monostable output equal to 0. Okay, now consider the quasi-stable condition. When a negative going trigger pulse is applied to the pin 2 of the monostable multivibrator, the voltage divider network supply the bias voltage 1/3 VCC to the non-inverting terminal of the lower comparator. The negative trigger pulse, the applied negative trigger pulse is less than 1/3 VCC, hence the lower comparator output goes to the high, that is S equal to 1, because the lower comparator output connected to the SR flip-flop input S, hence the S equal to 1. So SR flip-flop output Q goes to 1 and Q bar equal to 0. Here the Q bar is fed to the power amplifier. In monostable multivibrator, the power amplifier acts as the inverter, hence the monostable multivibrator output goes to the high. The SR flip-flop output Q bar also connected to the transistor Q1 base, hence the transistor Q1 goes to the off condition. The transistor Q1 is off, it acts as the open switch. Now the capacitor C start charging towards the VCC through the resistor R. The voltage across the capacitor gradually increasing. At one stage, the voltage across the capacitor is just greater than 2 by 3 VCC. Such a condition, the output of the upper comparator goes to high, because the upper comparator inverting input terminal voltage 2 by 3 VCC supplied by the voltage divided network. The upper comparator non-inverting input voltage supplied by the capacitor. The upper comparator non-inverting input voltage just greater than inverting terminal voltage 2 by 3 VCC. Such a condition, the upper comparator output goes to 1. The upper comparator output connected to the SR flip-flop reset input, hence R equal to 1. Hence the SR flip-flop output Q goes to 0 and Q bar goes to 1. The Q bar is connected to the power amplifier and the base of the transistor Q1. The power amplifier output goes to 0, because the power amplifier acts as the inverter. Here the power amplifier input is the 1, hence the output equal to 0. At the same time, the SR flip-flop output Q bar is connected to the base of the transistor Q1. Hence the transistor Q1 is the on. The transistor Q1 is the on. It acts as the closed switch. Here the transistor Q1 is connected parallel to the capacitor C. Hence the capacitor short circuited and connected to the ground. Now the capacitor start discharging to the ground. The monostable multivibrator, the output goes to the low. The circuit remain in stable state until the next trigger pulse, next negative going trigger pulse is applied. The time duration of the monostable multivibrator output signal depends upon the value of the resistor R and the capacitor C. The monostable multivibrator is used to generate the single triangular pulse. The figure gives the voltage waveform of capacitor for monostable multivibrator using IC 555 timer. At time t equal to 0, the discharge transistor Q1 is off. Hence the capacitor start charging from 0 volt to 2 by 3 VCC. At time t equal to capital T, such a condition, the transistor is on. It acts as the closed switch. Therefore, the capacitor short circuited, because the capacitor is connected across the transistor. Hence the capacitor voltage suddenly falls from 2 by 3 VCC volt to 0 volt. The equation 1 gives the time period of the output waveform. The time period of the output waveform is given by t equal to 1.1 RC. In this case, the time period depends upon the value of the resistor and the capacitor. Here the time period does not depend upon the supply voltage. Application of monostable multivibrator. The monostable multivibrator operated in various applications. The main application of the monostable multivibrator are missing pulse detector, linear amp generator, frequency divider and pulse width modulation.